There are many different methods for transferring data from your iPhone over to your Android phone. Probably some of the easiest are using something like, say, Google Drive, seeing how you can get it from the Apple App Store and then upload photos to it, which you can then download over on your Android device. Or you can use something else like Google Photos instead. Or hey, how about just using iCloud? Now by default, you're going to have photo and video syncing on when it comes to your iCloud storage. So then simply just go onto iCloud.com on your Android device, then log in, and you'll be able to go into the Photos app and then download anything you want to. You can also just email pictures to yourself. By selecting the pictures you want to send and then selecting share, you'll be given an email option. Then simply just enter your own email and then download it from your email client on your Android phone. If none of those methods work for you, then you can also do it via your PC instead, first moving the photos from your iPhone and then moving them over to your Android device. So first connect up your iPhone to your PC, then make sure that your iPhone is actually on with the pin entered and then give it any permissions it asks for. Then use the Photos app in Windows and select import from iPhone and then add any photos that you want. From there, you just want to do it the other way around and you want to then connect your Android device to your PC and then move any of the photos you have got from there into your Android device using the Windows Explorer. There are also special apps for this process, like for example Send Anywhere, which can also make it a lot easier to move files. However, given the huge array of first-party options, usually you wouldn't need anything like this. If you're on Samsung specifically, then there's also Smart Switch, which is Samsung's app for transferring your data to a new phone, which we can use if you're moving a lot of photos and videos across, because this way you can move your entire album to your Samsung device. First, in your settings, go into Accounts and Backup, then select Bring Data from Old Device, and then select Receive Data. After which you want to go on the iPhone or iPad option. At that point, you can connect it to devices via cable, or also do it wirelessly if you then download the Smart Switch app from the Apple App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Then just follow the instructions over on your Apple device. And finally, back on your Samsung, when it asks you what data you want to transfer, make sure to select images. So as you can see, there's plenty of options when it comes to transferring your favorite photos from an iPhone to any Android device. So you can use any of them depending on which ones work best for your particular situation. And also really depends on how many files you want to move. If it's a lot of them, like for example every single photo you have in your collection, then something like Smart Switch will of course be a lot more useful than doing everything one by one manually using something like, for example, Google Drive. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.